Do you people know that every 4 minutes a death happens in India because of road accident? Why are we not talking about it? Why are we still not considering safety precautions first when we are riding? Even I failed to understand the importance first, but now I understood it. By the way, why I am talking about it right now? You people might be thinking, right? The reason is this thing. So as you already saw that recently this particular thing happened with me, a small accident, but that resulted in a major setback in my life. And because of that accident I could not walk for last 10 days. For last 10 days I couldn't walk. So that is the reason I am talking about it. I recently got myself a new riding gear. Basically I got myself biking shoes. Because of that incident I got inspired and I got myself new biking boots. So I'm gonna unbox it now and I'm gonna show it to you people. So what are the features of that biking boot and what is the cost of that particular biking boot. So let's go ahead and unbox that. Wait. Before going and unboxing that particular product, I forgot to tell you something. Obviously Praveen, you forgot to tell your subscribers that hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Let's unbox this product now. As you people see, this is the new riding boots that I got for myself. I already tested it out. I already tested these shoes. I just wanted to test the size of this particular boot, so I did that. So I have a big leg, so I got myself size 11 shoes. So let's unbox this product. I hope the camera angle is good. So let's unbox this product. Oh, okay. Let's take this out. These are the shoes, guys. This is one shoe, and this is the other one. Let's keep this aside. So this is the shoe, guys, that I was talking about. Orazzo biking shoes. I got myself black color. Basically there is another color called brown. Maybe this color, I don't know, brown color. The jackets we get, right, fancy jackets in brown shade, so that color. So we have two colors available, black and brown. And Orazzo is basically an Indian company, if I am not wrong. They have their a company located in Haryana. Not sure, you can check that in the website. So I'm going to give you the link to this product. Link to this product. If you want to buy, you can go ahead and buy it at orazzo.com. They have their own website. You can buy it from there, or you can buy it online, or you can have the source to buy at their company dealers. We have some dealership available in India. There are several places where they have dealership. I got these from Vizag. Sorry, I got these from Vizag, and this costed me 5,000 rupees. There is another variant of these biking shoes. So that variant covers up to this part only. So, and that will cost you around 3,800 rupees. Based on your priority, you can choose. Basically, I chose this product, this particular length product, because I wanted to secure my legs from rainwater also. So what basically I can do is I will wear these shoes. On top of this, I'm going to wear my riding pants. So this will cover the whole thing, and there won't be anything, there won't be any water going into my shoes. So that's a good point, and that is the basic thing I thought of. That's why I got these shoes. So these costed me 5,000 rupees. And as you already can see here, there is a steel toe here. I'm trying to press it down, but it's not going down. So that's very important. If you are a rider, definitely you should have a shoe with steel toe. So what are we waiting for, guys? Let's go and test this out in reality. Let's see how this performs. I'm gonna put these shoes through a series of tests. Basically one test or two tests I'm gonna do it. But let's test how these shoes are going to perform, and if I'm going to have a comfortable walk or not. We can also test that. I'm gonna give you that review also. So why are we waiting? Let's go na. Chalo, chalte. Finally, I got time to wear these shoes and show it to you people. This is the place we usually hang out. This is a bit of what we have. So I'm gonna wear these shoes now. There are several mosquitoes right now. Hope they don't bite me. So let's try these shoes in 1, 2, 3. I hope people. I'm going out of frame. I know that. So I hope people like this transition that whatever I showed you. Right now I came from you. That's why I'm all sweaty. These feel good, comfortable. I think I need to wear socks in order to make the fit more tight, but these are good as of now. So let's test them out. Uh, let's go to the test first. What I'm gonna do, you can see that there. Chalo chalte हैं वहाँ. So let's do the first test, guys. I'm gonna put my shoes in front of this tires, this bike tires. My dad is helping out here, so I'm gonna test if they are able to take this load or not. Since we Desi people don't like anything get scratches, so I'm gonna put this cloth and ask my father's help to do this. Daddy, let's start. Right. I'm gonna keep it like this. Right. Okay. Right. Solid. So as you already saw that, my dad tried all the weight, but happened. As you people saw, I didn't feel anything, so that's something good that happened. Shall we test this now on car? I can test this on my car, but I am freaking scared. I don't want to try that. But although these, altogether these are very good shoes. And so that's a small test that I did on these shoes using bike. Actually, I wanted to test the same on this car, but as I already mentioned that I'm freaking scared and I don't want to take that risk. I already have a damaged leg right now, so I don't want to take this risk. But you people are free to do that under supervision only, so don't try that. But definitely these are worth buying shoes. If you are a rider, then I definitely suggest you people to buy this gear. In next videos, probably in 2-3 videos, you are gonna see my riding jacket, riding pant that I'm gonna buy, and I'm gonna show it to you people, so that you people, if you are interested, you can buy that. And please mind that I'm going to show you budget stuff only, so if you are a beginner rider who want to ride, then you can obviously choose these products. So I'll put a link to this product in the description box below. You can check that out, and do like, share and comment on this video so that it goes to maximum people, and those who are also interested like me, they can also buy these products and they can start their riding also. So that's it, guys, for this video. Hope you like this video, and we'll meet in another vlog. Till then, take care. Bye bye.